Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 49, that is group anagrams, and in this we'll be given an array of strings strs, and we have to group the anagrams together. I hope everyone knows I hope everyone knows that what are anagrams. We have done a lot of questions based on that, and we can return the answer in any order. Still, if you don't know what is an anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the letters, all the original letters exactly once. So like for example, uh, bat and tab is a anagram because T occurs once. All the letters are just rearranged, but they all occur once, and all the letters are same. There is no extra letter added into any of the word. Okay, so will be given a string strs, and we have to group anagrams on the basis of that. Okay, so now let's have a map of string, and to store and in this map basically we'll be storing the matching strings to that. For example, if we store tab here, we'll be adding bat, tab, and all of it into the list. Okay, so we'll be having a list of string, and okay, let's call it words. Oh, okay, no, let's call it anagrams only. Anagrams, that is equal to new hash map, not array list, hash map. And now let's traverse in the word strings array. Basically, let's call string word in strings, and let's create this into character array, and let's call it letters. That is equal to new. Oh, sorry, word dot to character array, and let's just sort this. Okay, so arrays dot sort letters. And then we'll be checking that if in this arrangement and in this frequency there is already a word with the same letters, and then with the same number of occurrences of those letters, we'll be adding it to that particular string, and basically we'll be adding this letter to the map if it is not present as the key, and we'll be adding the consecutive words with it. Okay, so firstly what we'll be doing, let's create a string word from, okay, no, we can't create a word. Let's create a string ana. Let's call it, okay, anagram. Let's call it anagram. That will be equal to new string from letters. Okay, and here also letters. And then we'll be checking that if not anagrams dot contains key anagram, what we'll be doing, we'll be adding this anagram to the map, and we'll be adding a consecutive array list to it. Okay, so what we'll be doing, anagrams dot put anagram, and we'll be adding a new array list to it, new array list. Okay, and then what we'll be doing, we'll be fetching it from the map, that anagrams dot get anagram, and we'll be adding the word to it, dot add word. Okay, and at the end let's just return new array list that will be formed with the values of the map, new array list of anagrams dot values. Okay, so values, and let's just add a semicolon and run it. And it works perfectly fine. Now let's submit it, and it gets accepted. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.